fucking jump.
Alright, true believers, welcome back to the Ozone. Let's get this one underway. Get you a little bit of label action. Clearing some more room, I ran into these, so I said I might as well bring them out so you guys can check them out in case you haven't seen them. This shoe is the Nike Air Raid Black University Gold and White. I can't remember what they was calling this. I think they call these Raygun colors. So this is the Nike Air Raid Raygun. Another remake on an old classic sneaker. The materials on here are all suede or nubuck. So you get the double strap with white laces. We check, see if there's any extra laces. I don't think there is. No extra laces, but you can easily swap laces yourself. I can't remember where the ray guns are from, but they have their logo on the tongue. This is one of the better colored Air Raids when they made the remake. I can't remember what year they put them out. That's just the overall clean shoe. Size, this is size 11. In case you're interested, like I said, I have these plus a couple others. Making space, like I said, I ran into these. But I guess this is a good shoe overall. Maybe good for basketball. If you have any of the Raygun, I think they came out with some clothing as well. I bought the whole Raygun line. That's how I ended up with all of these. Look at that top. I don't know what these are going for, but it's a great shoe. It says outdoor use only or for outdoor use only. So don't use these on indoor courts. I guess it will mark. You don't want nobody yelling at you for marking up the gym. Like I said, materials on here are all quality. Give you guys a look of the shoe, of what it's going to look like when it's on your foot. So you get the Air Raid strap at the top too. I forgot to show you guys that with the side strap. So you get side straps as well. Lock the shoe down fully. You know what you guys think about these Air Raids? Did you get a pair? Do you have any of the Air Raids? Do you have the OGs or the remakes? Are you interested in a pair of the Air Raids? Let me know what shoes you guys are buying. Let me know what shoes you guys want to see on the channel next. Everybody stay safe and have a nice day. Like I said, if you made it this far into the video, make sure you like and subscribe to the channel if you like what you're seeing. We're going to keep on going and keep on growing. Everybody have a nice day again.
Everybody fucking jump.